the moment I'm building a stealthy, off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere camper van. Today I'm going to talk more about my drawers. Now, the last video I showed you, sorry about that. Last video I showed you how these drawers were constructed and the runners I use and where they all go together, and I just want to show you what they actually look like now they're done. There you go. Now this one's a little bit lower than I anticipated it would be because of my sink. Hang on, let me just move that around a bit. You can see the sink there because it kind of almost interfered with the sink. It's quite a tight fit. So I just dropped it down a bit, put a fascia panel there. I've still got my 2 drawers. And then I was going to put some doors here and make a cupboard. Then I thought, actually I've got loads of cupboards in this van now. I'll turn it around and I'll show you, just in case you've not seen. So I've got this cupboard here. I've got a cupboard, obviously there's going to be a door there and a cupboard there under the sink. There's a cupboard here, a cupboard there, cupboards everywhere. So I thought, oh no, I'll make another drawer. So that's what I've done. I made another drawer, but this drawer is absolutely huge. Look at that, it's nice and deep. And in my tiny mind I was thinking that'd be alright, saucepans, pots and pans and all that good stuff can go in there. And I thought, well, actually I think I've only got 1 pan, so a bit of overkill. Yeah, and a kettle, that's it. And 1 knife and 1 fork and a spatula. Only 1 gas ring, so I thought it's still handy to have, still a nice deep drawer. Then it suddenly occurred to me, oh no, what I can use this for? I can use this for my dirty laundry. All my dirty laundry can go now. I can put a nice big laundry bag in there from IKEA, you know, the big blue ones with the yellow handles. So I can put that in there and all my dirty laundry can go in there. Pucker. Now, this left me this space underneath. I was going to just use a couple of bits of cladding. I should have put these together sooner. These are just offcuts, so you can, like the same ones I used in the last video, visualise how it's going to go. So when this door's shut, it's quite a nice tight fit as well, so I don't think I'm going to have problems with that sliding open when I'm driving. These actually fit. If I put the camera down a little bit, look at that, it's exactly the right height. Unbelievable. That was just pure fluke, pure bit of luck. So I was thinking I was just going to put a panel right across there, have a hole for my heater pipe to come through with the little grill on it. That's it, job done. And then I suddenly thought, well, hang on, there's quite a lot of space wasted under there. It's like a huge space and it'll be completely wasted if I just block it off. So I thought, right, what I'll do, I'll only put these up to about here, like that, and then the rest of it I'll make a box under there just to protect this pipe. This pipe's quite soft. You can like, yeah, gets damaged really easy. So I'm going to put like a little inner box around there, just along, so this runs the other side of it to protect the pipe basically. Then I've got somewhere to chuck my shoes, or my boots. I don't really wear shoes. Yeah, so my little shoe cupboard under there. Yeah, I think my boots will fit under there. Oh, my stool's gone for Burton. Yeah, I've only got 1 pair of shoes actually, thinking about it. Yeah, I always wear walking boots. Ooh, a bit grim. Shouldn't have showed you that. What's at the bottom of there? Oh, that's alright, not that dirty. So yeah, my boots can fit under there, and me 1 pair of shoes. Funny story that. Yeah, I've had these. I've got 1 pair of shoes, and I brought them for my sister's wedding in Australia, and that must have been a good 15, yeah, probably 15, 20 years ago. I've still got the same pair of shoes. So yeah, quality. If you buy quality, it lasts. Hang on, let me tilt you up a bit there. Yeah, you're a bit low. There you go, that's better. Yeah, cutting off the top of my head. Sorry. I've got to try and shake this Aussie slang. Right, so that's my drawers. There you go. That's what it's going to look like. This is going to, I'm going to have another, I will make another door there, and also I'm going to have a little panel under there, a little cubby hole for my shoes. Yeah, 1 pair of shoes and the rest of boots. I've got to put a fascia panel across there again, same as I've done with these 2, and I need some more of these little handles because I've run out. Yeah, so I've got to buy another pack of these. I need 1 for that, 1 for that, 1 for my bed, one for my slider divider. So that's, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So I need 4. They come in packs of 6, I think. So yeah, happy days. Yeah, that's it. That's my update. Sorry I rambled on a bit. Let's bring it back round. Sorry about this. So I'd like to take this opportunity to wish everybody a prosperous and a happy, healthy new year. And I'd also like to say thank you to everyone that give me the thumbs up, and especially to those of you that have subscribed to my channel. Now I set off at a target at the end of, or the beginning of, yeah, November, end of October, November time. I started doing regular videos about this van build, and I'd set myself a target for 1,000 subscribers. Well, I've got nearly 1,800 now, so yeah, I'm totally blown away by that. Really pleased, shocked by the response. So yeah, a real big thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, because it all helps. Every little bit helps the channel grow. So yeah, thank you very much. I will continue. Yeah, one of the questions I got was about what are you going to do when the van's built? What are you going to make videos about? Don't worry, there's plenty more to do to this van. The van's never really finished. There's always things to do, but I am actually thinking about doing like a small camper budget build. It's finding the right van, so that might take a few months. But when I find the right van, I'd like to, I can't say I'm going to do it definitely, but I'd like to try and do like a budget van build. So that's all for this year, for the new year. But yeah, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere soon anyway. So I'll be around for a while. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss a thing. Right, I'm off out of here. I'm going to carry on doing my drawers. I've got to do a fascia panel yet. I've got to go back down the shops, get some more handles, and sort out my little shoe cupboard, little bonus cupboard. Quite pleased about that. It's quite a unique little idea. Was there anything else I needed to say? I can't remember. I think that's about it. That'll do. Adios, amigos. Catch you on the next one. Like I said before, Happy New Year. Stay safe. May your health continue and your wealth grow. Ta-ra for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.